Hello,
Thank you
this
for
is
calling
Lenny.
Internal Revenue Service.
Sorry, I can barely hear you there.
Okay. Internal Revenue Service. This is Officer Lenny Johnson. How may I help you? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes.
When did you receive the call?
Oh, good. Yes.
Sorry?
Oh, yes. Uh, someone
Why?
did say last
Yes.
week. No, someone did call last
Why?
week about
What?
the same
What?
thing.
What?
But was
Yes.
was that you?
What is this?
Yes. So, sorry.
Hello?
What was your name again?
Sorry?
Well, it's funny that you should call because my third eldest, Larissa, she was talking about this just last week, and you know she is very smart. I'll give her that because she was the first in the family to go to university, and she passed with distinctions. We're all quite proud of her. Yes.
So
So,
can you provide
she
your
was
first
saying that
name, your
I
last
should
name, sir?
look into this sort of
Sir,
thing.
can you hear me, sir?
So, what more can you tell me about it?
So can you provide me your first name, your last name, sir?
I'm sorry, I couldn't quite catch you there. What was that again?
Okay. The reason you got a call from this number is to inform you that IRS has issued an arrest warrant against you due to tax evasion. I will explain you. Before I go ahead, I want you to grab a pen paper handy so that
But,
I can provide your
sorry,
tax
again.
ID no. Tax ID no IRS 28639. It's regarding about your tax filing. Let me transfer this call to my senior officer who is handling your case.
Could you say that again, please?
Yes. Okay, hold the line.
Yes.